How to find blocked accounts on Twitch. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can find blocked accounts on Twitch, and this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Twitch account just like I've done here, and once you're logged in, go to the top right corner of the screen, click on the profile icon, and then in the box displayed, scroll down and select settings. So on the settings page, you'll see some options like profile, prime gaming, channels and videos, security and privacy, notifications, connection, content, preferences. So click on security and privacy. On this page, scroll down until you can see the privacy option. Here you can see the option blocked users, and just scroll down and click on show blocked users, and all of the accounts that you've blocked would be found here, and then you can decide to unblock any of them or do whatever you want to do with any of them. And then you'll see details about them, such as their username as well as the dates blocked. So this is how you can find blocked accounts on your Twitch account. That is it. So thank you for watching and have a good day.